Hi guys, a very warm welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about how to make wax at your home. Yes, there are times when you cannot head out to the parlor and even the epilator is not working. So for that point of time, how to get wax at your very own home is what I'm going to show you. Yes, you got it right. It's going to save your money as well as time. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first you need 1 cup of sugar, prefer the powdered one, and then 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Turn on the gas on high flame and pour in the sugar. Afterwards, pour in 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice respectively. Stir it very nicely until it's perfectly mixed. Let it heat for 5 to 7 minutes. You'll see bubbles coming. As the mixture is heating, you'll notice that it's turning browner time by time. And after 5 to 7 minutes, it will turn somewhat like this. And once it has cooled down, apply it over the area and put a waxing strip and pull it off in the opposite direction and you will see the hair on the strip. So wasn't it super easy guys? I'm sure it was. And also some things which I would like to mention here is this wax is comparatively a lot less painful. Also, one thing you should keep in mind is to let it cool down for at least 15 to 20 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes if in the refrigerator, so that the heat inside of the molecules get settled down, because unlike normal wax, it retains a lot of heat, so you don't want to burn your skin, right? And you know, the fun fact is that you can always store this wax in your refrigerator and use it later. All you have to do is slightly warm it up and put a little amount of water to lighten up the consistency, because obviously it becomes really thick, and all you have to do is apply it, take a waxing strip and kichak! So no more parlor auntie के झंझट for छोटे मोटे काम like facial hair हटाना and all, and last moment की waxing भी हो जाएगी घर पे guys. So with this note, I would like to end this video. I hope you guys liked it as much as I loved creating it. Also, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon right beside the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload more such amazing videos.